Good morning, students. Hope everyone is fine and enjoying good health. I am a teacher of biology. I welcome you all in e-learning class. Hope everyone is enjoying e-learning classes. As you know, we have already started our syllabus of Unit 8, More Organ Systems. Today we will continue our Unit 8. Dear students, today the learning objectives are to understand parts of kidney, nephron, how the kidneys work, keeping the right amount of water in the body. Now students, we will discuss the structure of the kidney. Cortex is the outer protective portion of the kidney, and it is dark red in color. The medulla is the inner soft portion of the kidney, and is pale red in color. The hilum is the depression, located in the middle of the concave side of the kidney, where blood vessels, nerves, and the ureters enter and exit the kidney. The cortex is where the blood is filtered. The medulla contains the collecting ducts, which carry filtrate to the pelvis. The pelvis is a hollow cavity, where urine accumulates and drains into the ureter. The functional unit of the kidney is called a nephron. The nephron is located in the renal cortex, except for the loop of Henle, which descend into the renal medulla. There are over 1 million nephrons in each kidney. Dear students, in the diagram you can view the different parts of the nephron. The cup-shaped structure is known as Bowman's capsule, that encloses glomerulus. The glomerulus is a network of capillaries. Now students, I am describing you how kidneys work. The kidneys are like filters that cleanse the blood. The main function of the kidney is urine formation, which takes place in 3 steps. First is pressure filtration, then selective reabsorption, and third step is tubular secretion. Filtering is done in millions of tiny tubes called nephrons. Blood flows under high pressure from an artery into a bundle of capillaries. Urea and other wastes, along with some water, are filtered out into a tube. The filtered fluid goes along the tube, where it turns into urine. The urine combines with the urine produced in other nephrons, and goes out of the kidney to the bladder. Dear students, the diagram shows a kidney cut in half. One nephron is enlarged. There are approximately 1 million nephrons in a kidney. The red color is indicated for arteries, which carry blood with waste and unwanted substances. The veins are in blue color, which carries filtered or clean blood. Nephron having cup-shaped structure called Bowman capsule, which carries a bundle of capillaries, called the glomerulus. The tubular portion contains filtered fluid. There is a depression in the middle of the kidney, is known as hilus. Hilus is the area of the kidney through which ureter leaves the kidney. Now students, we will discuss the osmoregulatory function of the kidney. Kidneys play an important role in osmoregulation by regulating the water contents of the blood. The water content of the blood is controlled by a hormone called antidiuretic hormone. Different amounts of ADH are released into the bloodstream by a gland in the brain, according to the concentration of the blood plasma. The concentration of the blood can be altered by excess drinking means increases water content. Excess sweating means decreases water content. Consumption of salty foods means decreases water content. These diagrams show what happens when there is either too little or too much water in the blood. Dear students, the diagram shows when there is the shortage of water in body fluids. The brain detects water level. Pituitary glands release hormone called ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Kidneys filter less water, and the rate of reabsorption of water is increased. Less filtration and more reabsorption produce a small amount of urine, so blood water levels return to normal. Dear students, in this slide the diagram shows what happens when there is excess water in body fluids. The brain detects the water level. Pituitary glands release hormone called ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Kidneys filter more water and less water is reabsorbed, and abundant dilute urine is produced. More water is lost in the urine, so blood water levels return to normal. Now students, how to keep the right amount of water in the body. The body contains lots of water. Over half of your body mass is water. We get water from food and drink. We lose water when we breathe out, when we sweat, and when urinating. It is important that the amount of water in the body is controlled in order to stay healthy. The amount of water in the blood is monitored. As it passes through the brain sends a hormone to tell the kidneys how much water to get rid of. An adult body contains about 40 liters of water. We feel thirsty if we lose only 2 liters. We lose 10 liters. Dear students, in this diagram you can view how the brain controls the water level in the blood. Whenever there is water imbalance in the body, brain monitors the water level and sends the message to the gland. The pituitary gland makes hormone. Then this hormone is released in the bloodstream, reaches the kidney. Kidney adjusts the water in the blood. Dear students, your homework is complete the long questions in notebook. Write down the components of human excretory system. How does human kidney work? Explain how the amount of water in the body is regulated. Complete the worksheet and also long questions in notebook. Review the lecture thoroughly. Thanks for listening.